Now we're going to make two trees. This is a little bit harder. So we're going to have here Chayale, which is 5 years old, and Elisheva, which is 7 years old. We're going to make the tree to decorate our zoo too. Elisheva, this is going to be the stem of the tree, and Chayale, we're going to roll the clay into a thick part. Very good, Chayale, not too much, very good, very nice. Now fold it up, and we're going to open it a little bit. Open it. This is going to be the stem for our tree. We're going to take now green clay and make little long snakes, longer and thinner snakes. Those are going to be our leaves. Chayale. What we do with this long snake, we're going to squish it like this. Squish it gently. Very good. Squish it, Chayale. Very good. Put it on the table and squish it. Not too hard. And now, after you squished it, you're going to start folding it up. You take it out. It's stuck a little bit. We're going to take it off the table. And you start folding it up like this. Fold it up, okay? Fold it up. Very nice. Very good, Chayale. Very good. Fold it up. These are going to be our leaves. Take the folded clay, Elisheva, and put it around the branches here. You have branches too, Chayale. You just take it and you put it around like this. You just stick it to the clay. You need another one, so do some more. It needs to cover all the branches over there. Now you can either make fruits for your trees. You can leave them like that, or you can make little fruits, oranges or apples, as you wish.